It is the people who taught me how to stand on a stage. The man who doesn't only teaching us the English and our grammar. The man who teaches the humanity. The man who teaches equality. The man who teaches to respect the all kind of religions. जिनके चमकने से आती है सदाकत की महक, जिनके चमकने से आती है सदाकत की महक, उनकी तदरीस से पत्थर भी पिघल जाते हैं, उनकी तदरीस से पत्थर भी पिघल जाते हैं.
May I invite a great performer, honor of the amazing skill and topper of this competition, this coaching. Please put your hand together for Miss Mariam. Please welcome. Miss Mariam, please welcome.
पलकों को झुका के सलाम करते हैं, इस दिल की दुआ आप सभी के नाम करते हैं. मंजूर हो तो मीठी मीठी तालियां हो जाए, मंजूर हो तो मीठी मीठी तालियां हो जाए, क्योंकि ये शानदार सा प्रोग्राम हम आपके नाम करते हैं. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, अस्सलामु अलैकुम to the everyone, honorable judges, respected principal, teacher and dear audience. First of all, I would like to thank my teacher, my motivator, my trainer, Mr. Hafiz sir, for letting me this is a golden opportunity, this is a golden chance to convey my thought in front of you. I am very grateful to our mentor for giving me such a this opportunity, for making me able to deliver a speech here in this kind of huge gathering. My dear friends, today I'm gonna talk about a very respectful topic and about a very amazing, phenomenal and fantastic topic, that is my mentor and our mentor. And I am so excited to participate this unprecedented and this marvelous show. My dear friends, my motivator, my trainer, I'm gonna talk about my teacher, my mentor. If I am able to stand here with full of a confidence, if I am able to hold a mic and speak here in this stage, if I am able to look into your eyes and speak here with full of confidence, if I am able to speak without hesitation, if I am able to speak without shivering, if I am able to speak without fumble, this is all kind of my mentor, my motivator, our trainer and my teacher, Mr. Hafiz sir. And I want you just clap for my teacher again for this kind of, for having this great personality. I cannot believe, and I believe every teacher should like him like that. They understand every teacher, every student, personality and mentality. My dear audience, जिनके चमकने से आती है सदाकत की महक, जिनके चमकने से आती है सदाकत की महक, उनकी तदरीस से पत्थर भी पिघल जाते हैं, उनकी तदरीस से पत्थर भी पिघल जाते हैं. My dear friends, I wanted to be as I am here to speak and very confidently. It is the people who taught me how to stand on a stage. The man who doesn't only teaching us the English and our grammar. The man who teaches the humanity. The man who teaches equality. The man who teaches to respect the all kind of religion. The man who never make different to anyone. The man who teaches humanity. The man who teaches equality. The man who tells us value for time. The man who teaches the importance of the parents in our life. My dear friend, this is none of other. This is present in here. This name is Mr. Hafiz sir, my motivator, my trainer, our guider, our mentor. That's have a great personality and a downward personality, and it is a very kind-hearted personality. And he have, and in leaving my speech, I had been some poetry for him, not him. नजर नजर में उतरना कमाल होता है, नजर में उतरना कमाल होता है, नफ्स नफ्स में बिखरना कमाल होता है, नफ्स में बिखरना कमाल होता है. को जाना कोई कमाल नहीं होता, बुलंदियों पे ठहरना कमाल होता है. My dear friend, and leaving my ending, I want to say and I want to pray to the Allah protect Hafiz sir, and I pray may Allah help to study a billion of students in this. Thanks, and thank you very much for giving me this a golden opportunity. And inshallah, I will meet you again in that competition. We are full of confidence. And I haven't finished my speech here. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.
All right.